Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
The West Indies women have taken a 1-0 lead in their 3-match T20 international series against their Bangladeshi counterparts following a comprehensive 8-wicket win at Warner Park in St Kitts on Monday evening. Bangladesh women electing to bat first posted 144 for 3 of their allotted 20 overs. Captain and wicketkeeper Nikar Sultana Jati top scored with 53 not out. Sharmin Akhtar contributed 37 and Sabana Mustari 22. There was a wicket apiece for Captain Hayley Matthews, Cherian Fraser and Karishma Ramarak. Chasing 145 for victory, the Windies women got to their target for the loss of 2 wickets of 16.5 overs. They were led by Matthews, who had an unbeaten knock of 60 from 54 balls, including 7 sixes. Matthews was supported by Deandra Doughton, who cracked 51 not out of 22 balls. Doughton's knock, which consisted of 7 sixes, was the fastest T20 half-century by a West Indies woman, breaking her previous best of 50 of 21 balls. Opener Kiana Joseph also made 29. The second T20 international will be played on Wednesday, also at Warner Park in St Kitts. The West Indies under-19 women suffered a 10-wicket defeat to Bangladesh under-19 women in their final Group 1 Super 6 match at the ICC Women's Under-19 World Cup in Malaysia. In a match reduced to 13 overs a side because of rain, the Caribbean team was first restricted to 54 for 6. Amrita Ramtahal made 16, while Najani Cumberbatch added 13. Nishita Akhtar Nishi took 3 for 13 for the Bangladeshi under-19s. In reply, the Bangladesh under-19s posted 55 without loss in 8.5 overs to achieve victory. The defeat for the West Indies under-19 women means that they lost both of their matches in the Super 6 phase of the competition and have been knocked out. Hard-hitting all-rounder Odin Smith, who was the top run scorer and MVP of the recent Dream 11 Jamaica T10 competition, is looking forward to a return to 4-day cricket. Smith is set to make a surprise comeback to red ball cricket for the first time since 2020 after being included in the Jamaica Scorpions squad for the first 2 games of the season.
I'm really looking forward to it. I've enjoyed playing 4-day cricket. As I said, I haven't played in a while, so it's going to be, it feel like a debut again, but it's a challenge I'm looking forward to. We went far in the Super 50 this year. The same bunch of guys, we're just going to go and perform and see how well it goes first.
Smith, who represented the Trinidad and Tobago Red Force for 3 seasons, has played 15 first-class games and averages 20 with 1 half-century. The Jamaica Scorpions will open their regional 4-day campaign on Wednesday against the Windward Islands Volcanoes at Arnos Vale. It was a case of different coach but same result for Humble Lion as the Cellar Dwellers went down 2-1 to Malines United in the lone Jamaica Premier League game played on Monday night at the Drewsden Stadium. Malines United went ahead after an own goal from Lincoln Thompson in the 34th minute. The Alex Thomas-led Clarendon-based team would equalize in minute 78 through substitute James Thomas. But Malines would secure all 3 points when Rashawn Livingston scored the winner in the 88th minute. With the win, Malines moved up to 9th on 19 points, while Humble Lion remain at the foot of the 14-team table on 14 points. Brazilian club Santos are in talks to re-sign Neymar after his contract with Saudi Pro League team Al Hilal was cancelled by mutual consent. The 32-year-old Brazil record goal scorer is expected to sign a short-term deal at the club where he began his career. The termination of his contract at Al Hilal was considered the biggest step, according to sources close to Neymar. It ends an injury-hit spell in Saudi Arabia, where he played just 7 times for the club he joined in a £77.6 million deal in August 2023. And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.